Hello students, welcome to Marine Engineering Tutorials. In continuation of my modest contribution towards the Maritime India Vision 2030, an initiative of Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, I am pleased to announce the release of my third book on marine auxiliary systems. I hope that this effort will inspire young talent to join Merchant Navy and contribute to enhancing the share of Indian seafarers in global shipping. This book provides a comprehensive guide to the latest 2024 syllabus on marine auxiliary systems as prescribed by the Indian Maritime University for the fourth semester of B.Tech Marine Engineering course. The content primarily focuses on auxiliary machinery systems used on motor ships with an introductory overview of systems used on steamships to provide contextual understanding. The principles discussed establish a strong foundation for both practical application and theoretical understanding, making the book suitable for students as well as newcomers to the field. The book features over 150 illustrations to clearly explain complex aspects of marine auxiliary systems and includes answers to all questions from IMU examination. Contents. The book consists of following 8 chapters. Chapter 1, Engine Room Layout. This chapter first describes the various types of merchant ships, followed by the location of engine room machinery on different platforms, along with a brief explanation of their purposes. It also explains the location and function of various tanks in the engine room. In addition, the chapter illustrates the location of control room, main switchboard, workshop, and stores. Chapter 2, Pipes and Fittings. This chapter is included to familiarize students with the pipes and fittings used on ships, enabling them to easily understand the engine room piping layout discussed in chapter 7. It explains the types of pipes and their specifications as well as method of pipe connections using flanges and fittings such as elbows, reducers, tees. The chapter also covers the purpose, construction and operation of various valves including gate, globe, butterfly, non-return, relief and quick closing valves. Furthermore, it explains the construction and operation of different types of strainers and filters such as bilge, basket, knife edge, duplex, backwash, cartridge, magnetic and centrifugal types. Pipe expansion, arrangements and steam traps are also discussed. Chapter 3, Pumps. This is an additional chapter intended to provide knowledge of the principles, construction, operation, performance, maintenance and troubleshooting of various types of pumps used on ships. These include centrifugal, liquid ring, axial flow, reciprocating, gear, and screw pumps. Hydraulic pumps of vane and axial piston types are also covered. Chapter 4, Heat Exchangers. In this chapter, the student will first learn about the modes of heat transfer and fluid flow in heat exchangers. The use of shell and tube heat exchangers for cooling, condensation, and heating purposes is then explained. This is followed by a discussion on the fin and tube heat exchangers used as scavenger cooler, refrigeration evaporator, and economizers. Finally, the construction and operation of plate type and direct contact heat exchangers are covered. Chapter 5, Evaporators. This chapter explains the purpose of freshwater generator on board ships, along with their working principles, construction, operation, and maintenance. It also covers the working principle and layout of reverse osmosis plants as fitted on certain type of ships. Chapter 6, Air Compressors. In Chapter 6, student will learn about the various types of air compressors used on ships, including their construction, operation, safety aspects, maintenance, and troubleshooting. The chapter also explains about the required capacity, construction, and maintenance of air reservoirs. Chapter 7, Engine Room Piping Layout. After learning about various auxiliary machineries, this chapter explains the engine room piping layout, including bilge, ballast, high temperature and low temperature cooling systems, freshwater system with water treatment, seawater system, firefighting systems, steam system, and compressed air systems. Chapter 8, Other Shipboard Machinery. Finally, this chapter covers the various types of ship stabilizers used on ships, including their construction, layout, and operation. It also explains different types of bow thrusters and their layouts. Lastly, method of hull protection such as painting, sacrificial nodes, and impressed current systems are discussed, along with marine growth prevention system used to protect seawater system in the engine room. This book is published by Blue Rose Publishers and is available for purchase on Amazon and Flipkart with an approximate delivery time of 7 days. I hope this book meets your requirements and proves helpful in understanding the concepts of marine auxiliary systems and their maintenance on ships. Marine engineering tutorials provides additional support to students through YouTube lectures. Currently, 24 lectures are available under Marine Auxiliary Systems and Deck Machinery, covering topics such as pumps, heat exchangers, evaporators, and air compressors. These lectures will be progressively updated in accordance with the 2024 syllabus, and additional lectures on the remaining topics will be added in due course. You are welcome to share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Please share this information with students who will be entering the fourth semester. Looking forward to meeting you soon with a new lecture.